Well, hello, this is Melanie, also known as Hazelite Finds again. And I didn't think another one of these boxes were gonna come so fast, but I'm ready for it. I did take a little peek at our cards here, just because I wanted to be able to look at stuff ahead of time and be able to tell you guys a little bit more as I'm opening stuff up. Tamed Wild is doing a giveaway right now. They're giving away 2 free tickets to Egypt. I'm sure you can go to their website if you want more information. I think I got like 2 little tickets last time, 2 entries when I ordered something, and I'm going to assume that I have more tickets of entry in here. We'll find out. Today's stone, this month's stone, are Shiva Lingam. I've heard that these are good for fertility, so gotta be careful with it. All right. Should I do the normal, traditional? Always awesome packaging. And things are always wrapped very carefully, which, having received things sometimes, not from this company, but I've received things before in the mail, as we all have, that have been broken. So I appreciate that they take so much care. So in this box, according to our little card, we are going to have the Shiva Lingam stones, which I think is this one. This is one big one. I didn't expect that to be so big. Zeolite, which is this, or is this crystal quartz? You know, normally they label this for me. This is pretty cool. We'll open up the big stone last. This is either a piece of jewelry or a tumbled stone. I think it may be jewelry, and I think that's Tony coming in the door right now. And yes, it is a piece of jewelry. Here's the chain, comes separate, and this looks like, cue the fancy schmancy videos. And by fancy schmancy, I just mean looking at them under the light. That's pretty cool. It's a good size too. So I think this is our quartz. It's quartz that has been cut into the shape of an arrowhead, obviously. And this is our zeolite. Zeolite can be any number of crystals. So there you go. These little crystals. There's like 1, 2 big ones here. And these little, like, flowery looking ones. Oh, is it here? The zeolite has some inclusions here. I don't know what they are. I don't know if that's dirt. No, that's part of the crystal. You could see it reflecting a little bit. Maybe that one reflects. There's an inclusion inside that crystal. Up there. So I was reading, zeolite can be considered a number of different crystals. It's like a classification. And so this could be quartz, but it could also be something else. But now I'm curious what it is and what these inclusions are. So if anybody has any wild guesses, perhaps we could figure it out. Now, this is heavy. I notice it has like a crack. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it. It has a crack all the way around it. I don't think that's like a defect or anything. I don't think it was glued back together. But I recently heard about how crystals can, if they break, they can heal themselves. They could heal their own cracks and fractures. And I think this is what this guy may have done. And let's take a look at this guy. I want to show you the crack here. What do you guys think? Do you think he healed himself over time? And there's a little bit, these little flakes right here, these little flakes along the top, they're kind of metallic. They look like they're a little reflective. So here it is. This is my Tamed Wild subscription box for the month of, let's get the camera right here. For the month of September, we have our Shiva Lingam rock. We have our zeolite. And our clear quartz arrowhead pendant. All of this comes once a month for $16 plus $3 shipping and handling, and I think that, all things considered, that you get a really good deal. So yeah, if anybody wants to chime in and let me know what you think this is, other than quartz, which is what I'm going to assume it is. Something tells me it's not, though. Yeah, if you guys want to chime in and let me know what you think. I will see you guys next time. Thank you.